Welcome back, guys. It's been awesome. So let's just move on and go to routes. Let's talk more about routes in this video. And you can see if I keep doing it this way, I'm going to have a lot of routes that I'm going to lose track of those routes. For example, if I'm building a very big application, I don't want to keep doing my route like this because it's going to get to a point that is going to be very difficult for me to keep track of this route. So Laravel also provides us with a much easier way to actually relate with our route, and that's called the route group. Now, what this route group does is just that it lets you group your route and give them a similar properties, a similar attribute. For example, if you look at some routes that you think they have something in common, for example, we can have a route for category add. We can also have a route for category view, category show, category index, and everything. You want to put this route into a group, and that's what Laravel provides. So for example, we can have a route and you can give it a group. Now you can give this route some previous, and the previous, what the previous does, it applies this name right in front of your route. For example, if we go ahead and copy this route right here, so we need to remove this from here, unless it's going to cause some trouble. So let's just go over this route now and just paste this, and let's just see. Let's enter this. You can see we're getting a 404 saying this route doesn't exist, but we still have this route right here, and that's because the previous has been applied to this route. So if we go ahead and say admin / you can see this actually went through and create a new records for us in our database. If I should refresh my database, you can see the record that it has created. And this is actually a nice way to actually group your route. There is a lot that you can actually do with the grouping. You can also give your route some middleware and just give it some middleware. And in next video, in your coming videos, we'll look at middlewares and how we can apply middlewares to our project. So for now, let's just leave middleware for now, and we can actually call this anything. So let's just take this category add away, and let's just call this category. So if we go ahead and try this again and click enter, you can see that worked. And if we check our database, that has created a new record. So what we can do is we can have another route which can be show, and right here we can say give this a callback, because I don't want to go into the controller and do this. So let's give this a callback and actually we're having an error here. This should be a function, yeah, and a callback, yeah. So this is how it should be, and let's just return, and this should be show. So everything looks good now. We can see admin, category add, and if we should do category show, you can see we have that show right here. So if we do add, this has created a new record. So this is how you can group your routes.